Let's do addition and subtraction on Abacus. In order to add earthen beads, bring them up and make them meet at the skyline. In order to add heaven bead, bring it down and make it touch the skyline. Let's add 20 plus 10 plus 10. Take 2 earthen beads on tens place to show number 20. And to add 10, bring one more earthen bead up on tens place. In order to add another 10, bring one more earthen bead up on tens place. Read the value of all the beads together. Your answer is 40. Let's add 30 plus 10 plus 50. Take 3 earthen beads upward to show number 30 on tens place. Now in order to add 10, bring one more earthen bead up on tens place. To add 50, bring heaven bead down and make it touch the skyline on tens place. Read the value of all the beads together. Your answer is 90. Let's do subtraction on Abacus. In order to subtract earthen bead, bring it down. And in order to subtract heaven bead, take it upwards. Let's subtract 40 minus 10 minus 10. Take 4 earthen beads upward on tens place to show number 40. In order to subtract 10, bring one earthen bead downwards on tens place. To subtract another 10, bring one more earthen bead down on tens place. Now only 2 earthen beads on tens place are touching the skyline. That means your answer is 20. Let's subtract 40 minus 20 minus 10. Take 4 earthen beads on tens place to show number 40. In order to subtract 20, bring 2 earthen beads down on tens place. In order to subtract 10, bring one more earthen bead down on tens place. Read the value of the beads. Your answer is 10. Let's do addition and subtraction together. When earthen beads and heaven bead touch the skyline, then they have value. But when they don't touch the skyline, then their value is 0. In order to add earthen beads, bring them up and make them touch the skyline. But in order to subtract them, bring them down. To add heaven bead, bring it down. And to subtract the heaven bead, bring it up. Let's solve the following. 50 plus 40 minus 30. Bring one heaven bead down to show number 50 on tens place. To add 40, bring 4 earthen beads upward on tens place. In order to subtract 30, bring 3 earthen beads down on tens place. Now only one heaven bead and one earthen bead on tens place are left. Read the value together. Your answer is 60.